You ain't never seen nothing like this. I'm about to blow your mind with a twist.
G'day friends, I know how hard it is to spend what seems like hours trying to find that perfect song online for your drone videos. Then when you find it, you put it on YouTube and it gets a copyright strike. And it's so frustrating because then you have to start all over again. So in this video I'm breaking down 6 of the best music sources that I currently use and have used in the past, and they will all take away the hassle of getting blocked by YouTube. Some of these options are free and some of these are paid, and you are going to want to stick around for number 3. Its new AI feature is pretty great. Also, the last one might surprise you as well because you may not even know it's there for you to use, so let's go. First up, we've got the Free Music Archive, or FMA for short. This platform offers a huge library of royalty-free music from various genres. And the best part about this one is it's completely free. You can just filter tracks by genre, which is super helpful when you're trying to match a specific vibe for your drone shots. And once you've found a track you like, you can just download it, or you can add it to your mix, which is kind of like a library, or you can hit the heart button to save it for later. It's especially great for beginners because when you're starting out, you don't want to spend any money, and this is perfect for that. However, keep in mind that some tracks require attribution, which means you may have to mention the creator in the video or link back to them in the description. So always check the licensing details before you hit download. Next we have Bensound. Bensound has been around for many years on the internet, but this site is perfect for those of you who want high quality professional music without breaking the bank. Bensound also offer a free section which offers great tracks for personal projects, but if you're creating commercial content like say real estate videos, you'll need to purchase a license. The music here is super versatile. You've got acoustic tracks and epic cinematic scores. They even had a category dedicated to corporate music, making it a solid choice for professional drone work. Plus, their licensing is really straightforward, so you know exactly what you're paying for.
Get ready, get ready, get ready for it. Get ready. I'm in my new era. I'm back. I'm better in my new era. I'm back. I'm better in my new era.
Alright, here's the one I was teasing earlier because I love it so much. This platform is called Audio, and it's an absolute powerhouse for creative professionals. It is a paid subscription, but you do get unlimited access to a huge library of music and sound effects. And what sets Audio apart is its lifetime membership option, a one-time fee for unlimited downloads, and that's it. That's practically unheard of in this industry, and because I want to help you out as much as possible, Audio has allowed me to give you a 70% discount if you use the code SAVE70 at checkout. But Audio's library is packed with cinematic tracks that can add drama, emotion or energy to your drone footage, and if you're working on real estate videos, their collection of ambient and instrumental tracks is perfect for real estate videos to give you that real professional look and feel. Another great feature of Audio is the sound effects library. I use this feature all the time. You just type in what sound effect you need and download it for your project. But their latest feature is pretty cool. It's called Hands AI. It's kind of like a ChatGPT in a way. All you do is describe what your project is all about, and Hands AI will find a track that's perfect for you. And it's surprisingly accurate, I have to say. But Audio's best feature, in my opinion, is their link matching feature. Say you're watching a Die Hard movie or something like that, and there's a scene in that movie that has particular music you want to use in your video, something very similar. Of course, you can't use that because of copyright. Then you can take the link of that video and put it into the link matching feature, and it will spit out a selection of songs that are very similar to the one you selected. Having this feature is absolutely awesome. Now let's talk about Pixabay. You might know it from free stock photos and videos, but did you know that they also have a music library? And it's 100% free. And the quality is also surprisingly good. The library includes everything from upbeat corporate tracks to mellow ambient tunes, so there's something for every style or every video. And while their catalogue isn't as extensive as some paid platforms, it's an excellent resource for beginners or anyone working on a tight budget, because let's face it, when you're starting out you have no budget. But keep in mind that some of the music is registered with YouTube, so if you see this shield in front of the song, it means it may be picked up by YouTube as a song you're not allowed to use. So when I'm using this site, I just pick songs without a shield in front of it, like this one. Fifth on our list is another site that's been on the internet forever. It is called Incompetech, and it's created by the legendary Kevin MacLeod, who has been online forever promoting and sharing his music. This site is a treasure trove of royalty-free music. Many of the tracks are perfect for creating mood and atmosphere in your videos, whether you're showcasing a luxurious property or capturing a serene landscape. The interface is simple and lets you filter by genre, length, mood, or even tempo, so you can find exactly what you need. But there is a small catch. You'll need to credit Kevin in all your videos unless you purchase a license. But honestly, for the quality and variety you get, it's a small price to pay. Now this one is really cool because it's 100% free and you may not even know it's there. and it's the YouTube Audio Library. This one's a favourite for many creators because it's free and built right into YouTube's ecosystem. If you go to YouTube Studio, you'll see on the left side that there's a tab called Audio Library. The library includes music and sound effects, and you can filter by genre, mood, or even attribution requirements. It's a fantastic option for drone pilots who want hassle-free music that's ready to use, and whether you need a cinematic score or a cheerful background tune, you'll find plenty of options here. And because it's from YouTube itself, you can be confident that your uploads won't run into any copyright issues. Now, you might be watching this video thinking, it's great, I got access to all this music, but I don't even have a drone. Well, I've got you covered there also. Give this video here a look, where I cover the best beginner drones without breaking the bank in 2025. See you later.